Hello, I'm ETarte, math teacher. This is the 12th in a series of videos that I'm making for Mark, a high school math student in the Philippines who sent me a list of problems that he needs help with in order for him to successfully participate in a math contest later this month. So I'm doing my best to accommodate him. Mark, you gave me this problem. We have a rectangle with area negative 2x cubed plus 6x plus 4, and one of its two dimensions is 2 minus x, and we're supposed to find the other dimension. Well, the area of a rectangle is gotten by its base times its height. So if we have the area and its height, to get its base we must divide. The base will be the area divided by the height. So the base equals negative 2x cubed plus 6x plus 4 divided by 2 minus x. Well, I wish that divisor would be x minus 2 instead of 2 minus x, because if it were x minus 2, I could use a neat and concise method called synthetic division, which I'll show you in just a moment. Well, we can make the divisor x minus 2, that's the exact opposite of this divisor, if we make this dividend its exact opposite also. If you're not sure about what I just said, here's a simple example. If we have negative 20 divided by negative 4, well, a negative divided by a negative is positive, that's positive 5. We get the same answer if we change both the numerator and the denominator to the opposite, making it positive 20 over positive 4. We still get the same answer, 5. So I'm going to do that down here. I've written the opposite of the dividend by changing the sign of each of the three terms, and I've done the same with the divisor. So we'll get the same answer. Now comes this neat and concise method known as synthetic division. We use as our synthetic divisor the opposite of what you see after the x. What you see after the x is negative 2, so I use positive 2 as the synthetic divisor. Then here I put the coefficients. 2, there's no x squared term, so I have to put a 0. Then the coefficient of x, which is negative 6, and then the constant, which is negative 4. That's the coefficients with the terms arranged in descending powers of x. Third power, second power, first power, and then the constant. So that's how you set up synthetic division. Now here's how you do it. You bring down the first number, which is a 2, below the line. Then you multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. Add 0 plus 4 is 4. Multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. Add negative 6 plus 8 is 2. Multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. Add negative 4 plus 4 is 0. 0 is the remainder. The 2, the 4, and the 2 are the coefficients of the answer, starting with 1 power smaller than this is. So the result that we get from the coefficients 2, 4, 2 is 2x squared plus 4x plus 2. And that is the length of the base of this rectangle in terms of x. And indeed, if you check it, if you multiply this by 2 minus x, you'll get the given area, negative 2x cubed plus 6x plus 4. So Mark, that's it for this problem. There'll be more videos to come. Thank you for watching.